Hi, I'm Lauren Cristaldi with XeoMatrix, and today I'm going to show you the best way to incorporate image URL field types in your data. So here I have some sample Superstore data, and as you can see, I've attached those image URLs to the category field so that they dynamically change depending on the category. Now to get started, I use Cloudinary. For the web-based image URLs, you need to use a cloud repository. So you can't use Google Drive or anything like that. It actually has to be a repository for images where you can access those image links. IMDb is another example where you can actually pull that image URL. But for Cloudinary, you're able to add any image you can think of. So you go up here to upload. You have all of these different options, including, which I use the most, an image search. So if I wanted to look for furniture as one of my categories, now I can pull one of these images and it will load it into this folder on Cloudinary. So let's just pick a random one. It will upload into this folder. One other thing to note is that Tableau can only load anything that's under 200 KB. So you have to make sure that these are under 200 KB, which this one is. And it can be a JPEG or a PNG or even a GIF, which is pretty cool. Now, if we go over to our data, I'm just using Excel for this. If you're using a database table, then you can create another table where you have a primary key that matches this table for the associated image URL field. In this case, my other table is just another tab. In this, for example, I have the 3 different categories that we're using, and I'll paste that new Cloudinary image URL. Now if we save that, and we can go back to our Tableau workbook, we'll refresh that extract. And now under furniture, we have that new image. To change it, so when it comes in, it's just going to be a string. But over here, you see this little like photo icon. You change that role by going to image role and then URL. So you want it to be string, default, image role, URL. And that's it.